Hello guys, I hope you are doing well today. I will be your facilitator for this course. My name is Samir Rahman. My goal with the advantages of using Bitcoin is to securely store and manage my digital assets. I aim to stay informed about the latest security practices and updates in order to protect my funds. Ultimately, I strive to maximize the growth and potential of my Bitcoin hoards through responsible management. So today we will discuss about the advantages of using Bitcoin. Using Bitcoin offers several advantages that have contributed to its popularity and widespread adoption. Here are some key advantages of using Bitcoin. Let's begin. The first one is decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralization network, meaning it is not controlled by any central authority like a government or financial institution, but decentralization reduces the risk of the censorship, government interference, and manipulation. The second one is security. Bitcoin transactions are secured through advanced cryptographic technique. The use of public and private key ensure that only the owner of the Bitcoin can initiate tran- transaction, providing a high level of security against fraud and identity theft. Third one is transparency. The Bitcoin blockchain is a transparent public ledger where all transactions are recorded. This transparency allows anyone to view and verify transactions, promoting trust and accountability within the system. The fourth one is privacy. While Bitcoin transactions are transparent, the identities of the parties involved in the transaction are not always revealed. Bitcoin provides a certain level of pseudonymity, allowing users to protect their privacy to some extent. Fifth one is global accessibility. Global accessibility is accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their geographic location or Socioeconomic socioeconomic status. This globally accessibility empowers individuals who may not have access to trans- traditional financial services to participate in the global economy. Sixth one is financial inclusion. Bitcoin has the potential to bring financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations. People without access to traditional banking system can use Bitcoin to store, send, and receive funds securely and at a level lower cost compared to traditional financial services. The seventh point is low transactional fees. Bitcoin transaction typically have lower fees compared to the traditional payment method, especially for a cross-border transaction. This can be particularly beneficial for international remittance and e-commerce payment, reducing cost and increasing efficiency. The eighth point is fast and borderless transaction. Bitcoin transaction can be proceed quickly using within minute, regardless of the distance between the sender and the receiver. This makes Bitcoin an attractive options for international transaction, eliminating the needs for intermediaries and reducing settlement times. The ninth one is ownership and control. Bitcoin provides individuals with full ownership and control over their funds. Unlike traditional financial system where bank and financial institute have control over users' fund, Bitcoin allows individuals to be in complete control of their money, eliminating the risk of frozen account or asset seizures. The 10th and the last one is innovation and potential. Bitcoin has opened up the new possibilities for innovation in the financial and techno- technological sector. Its underlying bit blockchain technology has inspired the development for numerous other cryptocurrencies and has spurred advancement in areas such as decentralization finance like DEFI. Decentralized finance it's also called DEFI. Oh, I hope it will be very clear for you. Smart contracts and digital asset tokenization. This is from my side. Now come on the conclusion. While Bitcoin offers this advantage, it is essential to consider the risk and challenges associated with its use, such as price volatility, regularity under certain certainties, and potential security vulnerabilities. Nonetheless, the advantages of using Bitcoin have made it a compelling option for individuals, businesses, and even governments seeking a decentralized, s- secure, and efficient means of financial exchange. This is the advantages of using Bitcoin. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.